Hi friends, this is Imran. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm in Oslo, and in this video we will be doing a walking tour in Oslo's Christmas market. Remember to like this video, leave your feedback in comments, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, do subscribe as well. Let's start a walking tour. Guys, I hope you like this video. Until we meet again, take care. Bye.